Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about HCL's Q3 results, which was announced just now. So if you look at the numbers, it has not been great, but there are some interesting things that can be seen in the presentation about a theme which is based on generative AI. Let's look at what's happening in the company. If you look at the numbers, right, revenue growth is only at around 4.9%. Operating margin has come down, and then profits have grown around 5.6% YoY. Let's look at the numbers for the last few quarters. So 18% growth, 12%, 8%. Over the last 5 to 6 quarters, it has grown at 8%, 7%. This is the range. Typically, December is not a great quarter. So even in 2022 December, it has grown by 20%. 2023 December 7%. Now the revenues have not grown much. Profit growth is also not that great. Overall, if you look at it, the results are uh, not up to the mark, but there are some interesting things that are there in the presentation. So let's look at TCV, which is the new deal wins, which is around $2 billion, which is like 17,000 crore, which is a good thing. And the company has given a revenue guidance of 4.5 to 5% YoY. The growth is expected to be high. So if you look at the numbers, HCL Tech revenues, digital revenues, HCL software, product revenues have come down. So 2.1% down, HCL software. Whereas if you look at services revenues keep going up. Here is the interesting part from the chairperson. So HCL Tech is well positioned as AI-led transformation brings new opportunities for growth. So this is the sentence we have to underline. So AI-led transformation. Though the current result is poor, though it's weak, uh, they are betting on AI theme where you can get a lot of services opportunities. Let's talk about generative AI. I'll do a detailed video later, but for now, I'll give you something that is interesting here. So this is how generative AI is growing. So it was at $29 billion in 2022. In 2023, it became a $44 billion. This year, it's at $60 billion. In the long term, in another 6 years, it will become an opportunity in the range of $670 billion to $1 trillion. So it is a $1 trillion opportunity, which is massive. And more than products, services companies are doing really well by getting a lot of GenAI based services projects. So this is exactly where HL is talking about. So AI-led transformation could do wonders for this company in the long term. So right now, the results are not great. You might see the stock tanking immediately. So price went up on Friday after TCS results. It's close to its 52-week high, which is at 2012, whereas current price is 1989. Company has around 20,000 crore cash in its books, but still overall weak results we can expect the company's share price to go down in the short term. What is interesting here, IT services has grown by 5.8%. R&D, poor growth. Software and products minus 2.1%. So there is a degrowth. So they are basically betting on services to do well in the long run. So let's look at some of the HCL software metrics. All of them are very poor. Negative, negative, negative. So what is that one thing that there are a lot of key deal wins across MNCs and enterprise companies, which is a good thing. So this is the slide where we have to keep our focus on. So how many AI deals and Gen AI deals have been signed? A US-based biomedical company selected HCL, a global tech company. This is a tech company that has selected HCL to deliver an improved set of incident management processes. So basically, what Gen AI is going to do is it is going to improve efficiency. A lot of monotonous, repetitive tasks can be automated. If not fully automated, can be automated up to 80-85% accuracy, which is going to save tons and tons of money. Billions of dollars will be saved for banking, financial services, insurance, healthcare. You take any vertical, any domain or industry, all of them can be disrupted with generative AI. So that is where all these IT services companies can be considered as an investment vehicle to play the AI theme. So generative AI theme is now played based on 6 to 7 companies in the US. Mang, along with it, you have Nvidia and a few infra companies. So they are the ones that are currently doing well. Beyond that, all these IT services companies may do well in the long run if they are able to leverage generative AI and acquire more projects in the future. So, a US based financial services companies, a Japan based OEM, a medical devices company, pharma, financial services, life sciences, semiconductor, the Singapore based subsidiary of a Europe headquartered financial services major. So, AI enabled cognitive infra platform. So, all these are very, very interesting developments when you consider a 3 year perspective 2025, 2026, 2027. So, generative AI as an industry will keep growing. So, if it grows, all these IT services companies can take a lot of revenue out of the pie. So, a lot of money is going to be invested in generative AI. So, all the management, all the CXOs are given power. They have been given a specific budget to invest in generative AI, which can basically improve efficiency and can save them huge money, which can basically result in bottom line and profit growth. So this is something that is very interesting. We have to keep tracking this development, but uh, a short-term correction is very much possible if if at all that happens. We can play this theme for long term. So 2025, 2026, and 2027 can be far better than what's the current growth rate if they judiciously utilize Gen AI based tailwinds. Yeah. So overall, this is what I wanted to tell in this video. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like our videos, please like this video, subscribe, share this to your friends. If you have any other comments, any other interesting videos that you want on specific topics, please let me know. We'll add those videos. Thanks a lot. Happy investing.